Experiencing update issues in Marvel Rivals? You're not alone. Many players encounter stuck downloads or failures. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get you back in the game. These issues often stem from server overload, regional connectivity problems, or conflicts within your system. Let's dive into fixing it. Marvel Rivals uses a combination of initial downloads through platforms like Steam and in-game patching for smaller fixes. Updates are delivered via a CDN or content delivery network. A stuck update often means the client fails to verify file integrity or encounters a checksum mismatch, preventing it from installing the new files. Let's start with the basics. First, restart your game launcher and your computer. This often clears temporary glitches that cause downloads to get stuck. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps. A weak connection can halt downloads. Run a speed test to confirm your connection is reliable. A corrupted cache can definitely cause problems. In your game launcher settings, look for options like Verify Integrity or Clear Cache. This will rebuild your download queues and fix any corrupted data, preventing the update from installing correctly. Make sure to close the game before you do this and let it complete fully before relaunching. Sometimes other software can interfere with game updates. Temporarily disable your antivirus software or firewall, as they might quarantine update files. Also, update your graphics drivers through NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin, as outdated drivers can cause hangs during installation. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve your Marvel Rivals update issues, it's time to try these advanced fixes. First, run the game launcher as an administrator to give it the necessary permissions to modify system files that might be blocked. Next, ensure you have at least 20 gigabytes of free disk space on your drive. Updates can fail if there's insufficient room for temporary files. Check your storage and free up space by deleting unnecessary files or moving them to external drives. If these steps still don't work, consider manually downloading the updates from Marvel Rivals' official support page. As a last resort, completely reinstall the launcher to ensure a clean installation free of corrupted files. Many players find solutions through community forums like Reddit. For example, during the V1.8.4 rollout in February 2026, players discovered that switching DNS servers or using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi resolved stuck downloads. This shows the power of community-driven solutions. The future of game updates involves cloud-based solutions like Delta patching and AI-driven diagnostics. These advancements aim to minimize update issues. While update problems can be frustrating, most are fixable with systematic troubleshooting. Remember to stay updated and check official channels for the latest news and support. Now get back in the game.